If you're new here, my name is Tandy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join the glitter gang. We have lots of fun here. You already know what we're gonna talk about. We're gonna talk about how did I get this beautiful, I don't even know what color you will call this. This video isn't really going to be teaching you guys how to install. It's just going to be specifically focused on how I got the color. I didn't want to go full blonde with this. I just wanted to kind of lighten it a little bit because I felt like the wig was too dark on me. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know like I don't really like dark hair on me. I feel a lot more tan if I have a lighter hair color. I know, don't judge me. If you're here to judge, you can just exit this video because this is not going to be the video for you, okay? Because I am not a professional, but I'm going to walk you guys through the steps that I took to achieve this hair color. So if you like this hair color and you want to know how I got this wig this way, then just stay tuned. You guys know this is HunnyBun Virgin Hair Deep Curl Wig. HunnyBun just launched their new wig collection. They have full lace wigs for sale now on their website. So if you'd like to get yourself one of these wigs, make sure that you check out HunnyBun Virgin Hair. Use my code TandyColada10 and you'll be able to save money as well as free shipping.
Here are a few of the items that I'm going to be using.
I also use powder bleach with my salon care developer. Just mix that together. Yeah, and when you're mixing the bleach, you guys, you want to make sure that the bleach isn't too runny but not too thick either. And really just start applying it in sections across my wig. Now this, like I said, you guys, I am not a professional at all, so when I'm streaking this hair really using the spoil method, I'm really just trying to be able to separate it in sections because I don't want to disturb the lace, because this is a full lace wig, and also to make sure that I don't go too high into the root because I want kind of like a natural root, and I don't want this whole wig to be one color. I want it to have some kind of dimension to it too, so it's not supposed to be perfect. Like, I went into this knowing I just love being unique, you know. That's why they call me the hood unicorn. Let that wait for about, settle in for about no more than 30 minutes, you guys. You definitely don't want to do longer than 30 minutes. Okay? After we let that sit on there, we're gonna wash that out. And when you're washing out the bleach from the hair, I go in with a neutralizing shampoo. And neutralizing shampoo is key to making sure that you don't over process your hair. And this is for any hair. This is virgin hair, well, it was, so you want to make sure that you protect it as much as possible. So using the neutralizer shampoo first, I'm rinsing it out. I go through that maybe about twice. And with the neutralizing shampoo too, you guys, it changes color. So you'll know you got out all of the chemical if it starts running clear. So once I see that it is running clear, I'll go back in with another shampoo, and this is my ORS olive oil creamy shampoo. So yeah, I just go back in because this shampoo is going to, I feel personally, put back a little bit of moisture while still making sure that I really get out all of that product.
After you bleach your hair, you want to make sure that you tone it. I am using a Wella T27 toner and mix equal 2 parts of volume 20 developer. And just start applying it to the hair. And this is going to get out any of that brassiness. You get a good even distribution of it, especially if you put it at the top.
20 minutes later.
Make sure that you are rinsing out all of that product because again, you don't want to over process your hair.
And then I follow in with my Briogeo don't despair repair mask, something like that. I think I actually got this in a BoxyCharm box and I really love it on my bundles. Like, I don't really like using unnatural products on my own personal head, so for bundles, yeah, I definitely will just go have at it. It's not your hair, you might as well manipulate it however you want. Worst case scenario, you just gotta buy more hair, right? I let that sit on there for about 5-10 minutes and I rinse it off, wringing it out, making sure that I get all that excess water, and I put it on after it was dry the next day, and this is what I got. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you can be notified the next time that we come back here. If you have any other tips that you might want to recommend, leave them down in the comments below. Like I said to you guys earlier in this video, like I am not a professional, so any tips, tricks, what have you would be greatly appreciated. And you know, we can just start building a community here on this channel where we help each other out, you know, because glitter schmitter, there's enough room for all of us to sparkle. Make sure that you are following me on Instagram because I will be uploading specific makeup details to this look, and I do makeup tutorials on there as well. So yeah, check me out on Instagram. I love you guys so much, but until the next time.